What's up guys, today I'm going to work on my truck 2003 Ford 250. So my foot brake was snapped in half because of rest. There's a rest on it and it's broken. Here it is over here. Broken over here because it's rested, and then over time it's broken, and then this one have rest. I'm going to replace both of them. This one's the newer one, so it broke over here on the old one down here, if you can see this one. So we're going to replace both of them, and then there's two versions on this one. There's longer and shorter for this one. Mine shorter for sure because the doors it's not 4-door. If it is 4-door, it has to be 80 something inch. This one's 60 something, so this one, it has to be this one. And then my base not that much long, so doesn't matter. So let's replace it. It's not, I believe it's not that much hard. And then inside the truck there's 3 bolts and 1 10mm you take it off. One of it is 13mm. Let me show you down here. There's one over here 3mm down there. I don't think you can see that one. And then there's one over there, second one and third one. That one's hard to see. So it's 30mm, and one for this one. The brackets, for the brackets 10mm. Hopefully it will be easier. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and react to your comment down below to enjoy the video. First of all, I'm going to take this one and test it. The height, how long it is. I'll put the link down below if you want to buy it. I got it from Amazon. So hopefully it is the same. Let me break a cutter, and then I have to cut this one over here first. Looks like it's long. Find out. Look the same. A little bit short, this one. A little bit shorter. It's almost, I don't know, maybe 2-3 inch short. The 87 maybe. I don't know the how that one. That one's too long. This one's a little bit short. We'll find out after I put it in. So it doesn't matter. Let me go inside the car and take the 30mm and 10mm. Over here will be hard to record and work. So first I'm going to tear apart and show it to you how I do it. Otherwise it is hard to hold one thing and record will be harder. So let me tear apart and show it to you later. Alright guys, I take this car off to push this one out, and 30mm there's 3 and 10mm this one. And then the cable thickness, this one's thinner, this one have more, but this one's OEM I guess. So obviously when I take it off I'm going to show you. This one's more, have more. Trying, I did push it a little bit to take it from here like this. It'll be harder, one hand working, one hand is not working. Maybe if I cut it, it'll be easier. Let me try to put it over here and try to record for you guys, if you can see me, obviously. It'll be harder. I'm going to take this one out and then push that one out. They're not the same, so let me see. This thing holding down there, over here to push it down there. Yeah, I don't think you can see me. Now you can see down there, that thing over there. This one's plastic clip holding it. I take it off. It's not that much hard. Now let me try to take this one off. Alright, I push it in. Now I can bring this one out. It's not that much hard. Let me try one hand working. Almost there. Okay, so this one. Now let's push it down. I think you need to go outside, I think. This rubber doesn't have on the newer one, on this one, so after we take it off, we're going to put it on this one. Alright guys, I did bring the whole assemble. So you need to unplug the wood cable to bring it out, and then for this one, for the handbrake over here, small cable, unplug over there, and then for the handbrake center, need to unplug that one. This thing doesn't work. I think I need to press 2. So the whole assembly's out. Here's the bolts, 1, 2, and 3, and then this one 10 millimeters up there. And then now I am going to bring it out this way, out. So this rubber doesn't have on the newer one. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know how I'm going to take this one out from this one. Otherwise I'm going to cut it. Cut it doesn't work still. I'm going to put it back here. We'll go and find out. I need to take it off and see. Alright guys, so it's out. Just you're going to use one hand to pull it up, and then one hand going to use a screwdriver. So it's out. Here it is. Going to compare new and old one. Here she is. Okay, let me compare with the newer and the old one. Okay, here's the old one. If you can see how thin it is, this one, the newer one. This one have more. Still, hopefully it works. If I buy OEM, I don't know how much it will be. Let us see. It's tall. Which ones I need to hold it? It is the same, only the wires too thin. This one. That's it. I don't know how I'm going to take this rubber out. I don't know why they don't have it on here. I'll try to take it out this one, or I need to slide it out. Just slide it and put it on here. Otherwise, I don't have any choice. Let's do that now. Alright, guys, I just slide it open. Otherwise, I can't push it in because of I can't slide it from here, but over here I can. So I just slide it in, cut it, push it in. Done. I think it's better. So now I'm pushing back. It's easy to do that. Then yeah, it'll be harder one hand working, one hand screw recording. So let me have 2 hands. Alright guys, put it back. I feel water maybe can get in. I'll put maybe, I don't know, something silicone maybe over here, maybe under there. And I need to bring this up over here. Okay, and put everything back. It'll be hard to record, so let me finish and show you. Already finance in. I dropped the 10mm and then get it inside the middle, and then I take part, and then first put the 10mm. Otherwise, if you drop it in case, you can take it, can slide off. Otherwise, if you bought it with this one, the 30mm first, you tear apart and then find the bolt. So I did that, finish that on this side, put the cover back. But before I do that, I'm going to go under the car and replace the cable under there. Let us do that, and then all done. The under the car is the easy one. So these two, they're fine, I believe. If something wrong, we're going to replace later on. So we're going to slide from here and go all the way. Hopefully it's long, a little bit short, but we'll find out. I need to put this one first before later on. Put it in both sides. In like this. Not that much, and put this rubber over here. See, it's not in it. I'll deal with it later. That one. I need 2 hands. Just put it over there fully. And here's 2 wrists. There's too many wrists. Later on, I'm going to fix it. If you can see this side, there is a wrist, and then I need to slide this one in this hole. The other side over here. Let me do this by 2 hands, should be harder. Alright, I guess it is 6 inches short. So I'm going to use the old one, and then I don't know. I think I need to buy OEM, I guess. Otherwise, that is 80 something. That one's too long. This one's 64. I don't know. I need to search, I guess, on internet and see. Maybe I will buy OEM and let's see So I'm going to use the old one for now, this one. The one might snap again. So for this one's the outside is the easy one to put it on, but the inside one a little bit tricky. So let me put that one back, I guess. Alright guys, when I put this one a little bit shorter, but first put that one over there, and I put the maybe it doesn't matter, but you need to take from here to do that, otherwise it will be hard to put it on. If you take one of it from here, and then you could put one on this side, take this one in, and then when you push this one in, you're going to put this one in. Very hard to explain what I did, but I take one of it, the handbrake cable from here, tear off the whole thing out. When you do that, it will be easier. You can pull this one this way. I tried to take it off that side, but then you take the tire, so I don't want to deal with it. Or you can take both tires and take both the cable, and then it will be easier. You're going to slide this one, the whole thing out. It's in, and then that's it. And then now I'm going to test it. I don't know the old one how long will last, but because there is rust on it, so let's try this one. I need to cover it off. Let me see. Hopefully it works. It works. Hopefully it doesn't break. I don't trust that one, especially on the middle one. I will search for that one. So I'll search for on the middle over there. It's too short, maybe OEM. I'll search. Hopefully I'll find the right one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.